Welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Viva Overview. My name is Tim Blake, and I'm a Microsoft Certified Trainer, and I have facilitated training sessions for the Microsoft end user community globally. Viva is a platform that blends communication, knowledge, learning, resources, and insights right into the rhythm of your work, and I am excited to teach you about its features. This course is intended for Microsoft 365 users who are new to Microsoft Viva and want to get an overview of each of the different elements. We will start by explaining how Microsoft Viva could be beneficial and useful for your organization. Then, we will identify the 4 main categories of the Viva apps and the key components in each one. Next, we will look at the 4 Viva apps intended for communication. We will start by defining Viva Connections and its purpose in an organization. Then, we will explore Viva Engage and identify the benefits and uses for Viva Amplify. We will also look at how Viva Topics can provide valuable information. From there, we will review the Viva apps used for analytics and feedback. We will look at the benefits of Viva Insights, the features of Viva Pulse, and review how Viva Glint integrates with Insights and Pulse. We will define the key components of an OKR and discuss how they fit together in an OKR framework. We will navigate Viva goals and define and create OKRs. In the last section, we will look at how to access Viva Learning and explore the key aspects of finding training. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will be able to define and locate each of the key elements of Microsoft Viva and explain how they interact within the Microsoft ecosystem. As you go through this course, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I am showing you, so you can do the same activities right along with us.